Okay, something relaxing. At least for me, I find this Kirby Tradition very relaxing vacuum to use. And it's so many things that I really can't explain, and I don't want to keep this video too long. So, 1979 is when this was made, and it has HEPA bag conversion. So, let's just vacuum this rook, and I am using my action camera for this, and sound comes from my phone microphone, because action camera microphone, at least what I have, is pretty bad. So let's hope that this works out well. And okay, this is my weekend. that is the Kirby tradition, and I absolutely enjoy using this. I enjoy this much more than the newer Kirbys. Yes, I still have that key 6 from 2000, but this is somehow much more relaxing, and yes, tons of power in this. So and obviously we must not forget that this has HEPA back conversion. So there is that pneumatic HEPA flow back in there. So this actually improved performance quite a bit. And it doesn't leak because I have washed this outer bag, and I want to keep it clean, and HEPA flow bag keeps it clean because it doesn't leak. So that was my weekend enjoy, and I hope you liked this. This is sometimes this cover lifts to this position, so I don't know what's about that, but anyway, it's in very good condition, so I hope you enjoy it, and goodbye.